Mia's Magic Keys, an Alphabet Adventure. Teacher, why do we need letters? Little Mia asked. Her teacher, Ms. Elena, smiled and said, the alphabet is like a set of magic keys. When we put them together, they make sounds, tell stories, and help us talk to the whole world. A is for apple. It is a crunchy red fruit that grows on a tree. Apples are sweet and very healthy for your body. B is for ball. You can bounce it, throw it, or kick it in the park. Balls come in many colors and sizes for playing games. C is for cat. A cat is a soft pet with whiskers. It says meow and loves to nap in the warm sun. D is for dog. Dogs are friendly pets that wag their tails. They like to go for walks and play fetch with a stick. E is for elephant. This is a huge animal with a long trunk. Elephants use their trunks to eat, drink, and even spray water. F is for fish. Fish live underwater and use fins to swim. Some are tiny and gold, while others are big and live in the ocean. G is for goat. Goats have horns and like to climb high rocks. They make a baa sound and love to munch on green grass. H is for hat. You wear a hat on your head to stay warm or block the sun. Some hats are silly and some are for school. I is for igloo. An igloo is a round house made of blocks of ice. It stays cozy and warm inside, even when it is snowing. J is for jam. Jam is a sweet spread made from fruit. You can put it on your toast for a yummy breakfast treat. K is for kite. A kite is a toy that flies high in the sky. You hold the string and watch it dance in the wind. L is for lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. It has a big fuzzy mane and makes a very loud roar. M is for moon. The moon glows in the sky at night. Sometimes it looks like a circle, and sometimes it looks like a banana. N is for nest. A nest is a cozy bed that birds build. They use twigs and grass to keep their small eggs safe and warm. O is for octopus. An octopus lives deep in the sea. It has 8 long arms and can hide behind rocks in the blue water. P is for pig. Pigs are pink animals that live on a farm. They love to roll in the mud and say, oink, oink. Q is for queen. A queen is a lady who wears a shiny crown. She lives in a big castle and is very kind to people. R is for rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and soft fur. They are very fast and love to hop around and eat orange carrots. S is for sun. The sun is a bright star that gives us light. It makes the day warm and helps the flowers grow tall. T is for tiger. A tiger is a big cat with orange and black stripes. They are very strong and can run quickly through the grass. U is for umbrella. You use an umbrella when it starts to rain. It keeps your head dry so you don't get wet while walking. V is for van. A van is a big car that can hold many people. Families use vans to go on fun trips together. W is for whale. Whales are the biggest animals in the ocean. They breathe through a hole on their heads and splash in the water. X is for xylophone. This is a musical instrument with colorful bars. You tap them with a stick to make happy, ringing sounds. Y is for yo-yo. A yo-yo is a toy on a string. It goes up and down as you move your hand. Z is for zebra. A zebra looks like a horse, but has black and white stripes. They live in groups and eat grass together. Mia clapped her hands with joy. Letters are fun, she cried. Ms. Elena nodded and said, now that you know the sounds from A to Z, you are ready to start the wonderful journey of reading and writing.